Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this Shardeum airdrop. This is a very big airdrop, it's a layer 1 solution, and this is free. This is all in testnet, so you don't need to spend any money, and I think you could get a very big reward of this airdrop. Like always, I am going to do the step-by-step tutorial, so you don't lose any time figuring out how to do everything. I already waste a lot of time doing that for you. And remember that I have my airdrop organizer here that you can get access and download it for free. This is to help you to organize all the airdrops that we are doing. So in order to have it, you need to go to this video, and in the link of the description you can download it. We are going to cover a little bit about the project and, like always, how to claim and do everything step by step for getting this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, like you know, I have been doing videos about different airdrops daily, and I know that some of you are not subscribed to the channel but continue coming here and seeing my videos. So please, before we begin this video, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these videos that you really like it. And in today's video we are going to cover this airdrop for Shardeum. This is a decentralization for everyone. It's an AVM based, linearly and scalable smart contract platform. Basically it's a layer 1 solution here. And right now this is in testnet. And we know for sure, because if you go here into the website itself, that they are going to have a token. You have the token economics here, and in fact you know that it's going to be airdrops, because here you see that says 5%. This is for ecosystem and airdrops, and because we are in the testnet right now and you can test everything and help the project, for me it's obvious that we are going to have an airdrop for this. And if you go to the roadmap, you can see that technically they are here from 2017, but actively in this 2022. And you can see here that in Q1 of 2023, they are going to have the mainnet launch, the token generation event, and the public sale. This token generation event for me is what is going to have the airdrop for all the ones that are testing right now. So do this video, it's very easy with my step-by-step, so you don't lose time. You can see that in Twitter they have 69,000 followers, so that is a big amount. And I really like it that I could find the company in LinkedIn, and according what says here, they have 47 employees, and they have had a seed of fundraising of $18 million. So this gives me some confidence that, of course, this is not anymore a scam project, and many things can get good from this project. So I really recommend you to go and do this video. And guys, remember to get my airdrop organizer, where you can follow all the different airdrops that we are doing, and also going into a specific airdrop. In order to get this, you go to my videos. You can see all the videos about airdrops that I am doing daily, and check this, how to organize your airdrops, and you will be able to download it and have it in your own computer for you. And I also am going to put, of course, like every video, the link of this spreadsheet, so you can get this step by step, and the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment when the video goes live. Now guys, let's start with this. For Shardeum, you need to add a new network in the Metamask, and you have this link to do it. If you don't know, this is on the official Shardeum documentation. So basically you are going to add the Liberty 1.5 and 2.0. For the video, we are doing everything in Liberty 1.5. These are versions of the networks. So I recommend you to add both, but you are going to use Liberty 1.5 in this video. So after you have your networks in your MetaMask, you can see here I already have 100 SHM tokens. We are going to claim those tokens. In order to do that, you can go to this URL. It's also for the official channel, and it tells you how to claim the 100 Liberty SHM tokens. You have one option here, which is doing it with a tweet, making a tweet with all the steps here. And the option that I use it, that never fails to me for now, is doing it in Discord. So here you can click this link of an invitation for the Discord. And once you verify your account, you need to look this faucet-15. This is under Liberty AlphaNet. And here you need to write this /faucet space, and here you need to put your wallet address. When you put your wallet address, you are going to get this, that the funds has been transferred. Never fail it to me, so it's very easy to do. And with that, you are going to get your 100 tokens here in your wallet once you are already in the Shardeum testnet. So it's very easy, and you can see here are the links, here are exactly what you need to paste there. So also they have a video on how to claim those tokens. So I really like the project, how it's building an ecosystem, and from my perspective it's not failing on this. So once you have your network and your 100 tokens here, then of course we need to go to the list of applications, which is a Google Docs also that they share it. It took me a little to find it, but it's here. So you have the link there on the step by step. You just click that, and this is a file that you can see first has a disclaimer, and then you have two different tags here. So in the tags that says project live on Liberty, I was using these links to do the different things on the ecosystem, and this working for me in the 1.5 version. I didn't do any transactions on 2.0. I still need to research that, and I will leave you guys. You also need to follow the Discord channel and Twitter. So get serious, get there, try to use the version 2.0 after you do everything on my video, because it's two different networks. But in this video we are using 1.5, which is also going to help you for the airdrop, of course. So now we are going to use the application. First I'm going to swap here on Dexpad, so I'm going to that link. Here I will click on Shardeum testnet to connect my wallet there. So I'm connecting my wallet, and here I'm going to click here on buy DXP, and that will send me to this URL. So I will connect my wallet again, and here you can see that I have 100 tokens SHM, and I will swap something for Photon. I will just move 10 tokens here. I really don't know this Photon token what could be in the future. This is Photon_swap.finance. Maybe doing this you are adding possibilities to get an airdrop for this swap project. So in this video you are actually having a multiple chance to get airdrops from different projects, not only from Shardeum itself, but from these DEX exchanges and another projects. So let's swap this. Confirm the transaction. The gas fees here are really high in comparison of my trade, but it's free tokens. And here when you have this, click on add token to Metamask, so you already have there your token in the contract. And after that you can see this was already submitted, and click close. You can see that the swap was already done, and you can see that I have my tokens there on my balance. So now I'm going to use the pool, add liquidity. I will select the Photon tokens. I will put max here, and I will approve this. Confirm. Now you click on supply. Confirm the supply. You can see here I have one pending transaction still. Now you can see that was added into the liquidity pool, so you can see your position here. Now I'm going to do the same here on 0.5, swapped finance. I'm going to swap, add liquidity and remove liquidity. You can also here on Photon remove liquidity if you want. The important thing, guys, is that you do transactions here. Even if you do swaps, enter liquidity, get out of the liquidity, you know how this works. Now let's go to swap finance, and we are going to do the same. Connect to the wallet. Once you are connected, I'm going to trade on swap. You can see that I still have 79 tokens here, so I will swap here 5 of these for 1.13 of those. I'm going to swap this. I will add this to Metamask to have the tokens there. Click on dismiss. So now you can see that I have these tokens also. And again, swapped finance doesn't have a token, so you can be doing this eligible for many other airdrops besides Shardeum. Now go to pool, click on add. I will put the max of this, approve, the liquidity pool. Confirm and adding liquidity, confirm supply, transaction submitted. You can see here that this one pending is submitted, and now it's completed, so now you have your liquidity pool. Now I go to pool, I will click on manage, and I will click on remove, and I will remove 20% of what I have. Click approve. Click on confirm withdraw and click on confirm. Transaction submitted, so we already swap, enter the pool and take it out some of the pool. So we already did 0.4 and 5. Now I'm going to go to Shardeumswap finance and I'm going to do the same. This DEX has exactly the name of the blockchain, so I think this one is important. Connected to the network, to the wallet. Still have 70 tokens here, so I will put 10. I will swap it for these tokens. Everything here, guys, is free. Confirm the swap. I will add this token to my Metamask. Add the token. Transaction submitted. So you can see I already have it in my balance. I'm going to go to liquidity. Add liquidity. I'm going to select the recent token that I bought. I'm going to put half of that. And I will get this liquidity pool. Like you can see, I'm not having errors on this. All these projects are working fine, and I hope it's still working fine when you are seeing this video. If something is not working, don't worry. Continue with the next project, and maybe in the next day you can come back and try again. And if it still is not working, you can ask in the Discord channel about why it's not working, because I will not know, guys. And click on confirm supply. Transaction submitted. You can add to MetaMask your liquidity pool if you want. Now this is done. You can see I have some liquidity pool here. I will remove a little bit, 25%, enable. Everything is working fantastic actually. Sign. Click remove, confirm. And I am doing everything very quickly because this is always what we do with many other airdrops, so you are familiar with this. Now I'm going to go to 0.7 and 8. 0.7 is the Shardeum name service here. This is to mint an NFT service. So you go here, connect your wallet. Now here where it says domain, you can click there and start writing. And you can see the price. Now it's $90 on SHM tokens. If you put a couple of more letters, you are going to see that it's going down. That's because more letters is a more big domain, so it will be cheaper. So, and I think the max is 10 characters, so with this I am going to be okay. Record. Click on mint, confirm. Now it's processing. And I didn't saw any confirmation here, guys, but if I go to my MetaMask, you can see that this was the amount of token that I pay for these services. So this transaction was confirmed too, so I am good on that. Now I will try to mint an NFT. This is going to this website. The link is in my spreadsheet. Connect the wallet. There are some errors here. I was not able to do it, so you're going to check it. But anyways, I will put one here, one NFT, and it says switch networks. Seems it's not working well, guys. I will mint one. Well, you can see that I only have 47 tokens here. And the cost of this is 55, so I don't have enough tokens here. So I can claim another 100 each 12 hours or 24 hours. I think it's 12 hours in this case. So guys, you can do this after, but that will be all. You can check this spreadsheet to check the other different websites here. You have two tabs at this moment that you can check it and test it. And try with all the different applications. More applications are going to enter here, but for now with these ones, what I already did in this video, you are okay for the airdrop. And again, this is for an airdrop of Q1 of 2023, so I really recommend you to enter once per week and do everything again. It's very easy and free, so you don't lose anything, but that way you get more transactions and you see if something is not working now, it could be working in the next week. So put your alarm, use my airdrop organizer so you don't miss this, and do it one per week and it's free. So guys, that is all for this. Remember, this is Shardeum Airdrop and it's free. This is a layer 1 and you are applying also for the possibility to different airdrops of the project, like the different DEXs that you saw in this video. So if you find value in this video, like the video please, guys. Many of you guys see my video but you don't click the like button, so please express your love to the video clicking the like button. And subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. I am covering airdrops every day. And very soon, in a couple of weeks and months, we are going to be collecting and claiming all these airdrops and we are going to have a lot of money, guys. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.